What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another AMC update video. Now, in this video, we're not specifically going over updates as far as the data with the company, but there is something you have to be made aware about, and that is the shareholder vote. And there's something in here you guys need to know that could have a negative impact on the short squeeze. So we're going to talk about everything you guys need to know. The only thing that I ask is that you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to help push this video out to even more people, and ultimately this will help strengthen our cause. So keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. Ultimately, you guys are going to do whatever you want to do anyways. I am just giving you guys my opinion on what I do think, and I think a lot of you guys, if not all of you guys, will agree with me here. So make sure to check out the links down below as well to get up to $70 in your choice of free stock using the link for public. They do not route your order flows to Citadel. No need to even link a bank account or deposit a single dollar. But with that being said, let's get right into this video, guys. And this does pertain, like I said, to the AMC actual shareholder meeting and the vote. Now, if you held shares of AMC as of June 2nd or prior, you were eligible to vote on a couple key things the company is looking at doing, right? But the big thing that I do want to point out in this video is the dilution. And we just had Adam Aaron tweet a tweet, and they actually filed this with the SEC as a legal communication. So they are putting this into wording that they are basically telling investors to vote for this. But the tweet says, AMC's board and management believe you should vote yes to authorize 25 million new shares. Remember, they cannot be issued before January of 2022, more than 6 months from now. See our proxy material for more complete information and essential disclaimers. And then he also tweeted again. He said, some of you fear dilution, but may be neglecting that equity raising is a powerful tool to strengthen a company and help shareholders. AMC said 5 times in January, May, and June 2021 that we diluted shares, but as a result raised 2.5 billion. AMC is so much stronger because we did. And this is true. If you were in a dire situation like AMC was when they had to raise capital or essentially go bankrupt, then yes, this is a great thing to do. But if you don't have to use this money, right? If you're not in that situation, which AMC is not right now, this is a negative catalyst on the stock. Either way you put it, it is a negative catalyst on the stock. It was seen as better back when they did raise the capital because it was either raise capital, dilute shareholders, or go bankrupt. And essentially the best analogy I can use is, say you have a glass of Mountain Dew or pop or whatever the case is. You don't want to put water in your drink. That is the best analogy you could ever use. Dilution is never good. So we have about 501 million shares outstanding. If they do these 25 billion new shares, no, it's not a huge amount. I believe, just rough math here, it's about 2 to 3% of the total outstanding shares. So that means your shares that you currently own would go down in value 2 to 3% because they are just adding new shares to that, diluting your share value to add up to the total shares of 526 million into its current market cap. So if you guys want to get real technical on this and get real nerdy with this, you could just take the estimated shares that would be available, right, or totally outstanding after they actually do this capital raise, 25 million plus 501 million. That would come out to the total shares, and then divide that by the market cap, and that is what the price of AMC stock would be. It will be lower than what it is currently at. So that could be a negative catalyst to the stock, and this actual vote is going to be on July 29th. So I decided to make this video because I'm not sure exactly how long it's going to take for this squeeze to get squozen, but if it's not done by this date, that could be a negative catalyst, or will be a negative catalyst to the stock if people vote to do this. Now, there's two sides of this coin. If you are a long-term investor in AMC and you see a real fundamental value in the company, which I don't think most people are, but if you do, and if that is you, if you are on this side of the coin, then it's probably not a bad idea to vote for this. But if you are in this just for the trade and to print fat tendies, if you vote yes for this, that will be another negative catalyst preventing the fat tendies from being printed. So I just want you guys to be fully aware of the situation that is going on right now with this whole meeting, and that is the number one biggest thing, is voting to let them issue these 25 million shares. And if you guys are unaware how to vote, your brokerage will send you an email or it'll come up in your app, right? Robinhood, Webull. I know it comes up in the app, but if not, they will send you an email about how to do this, send you a link to it, and then you can do it like that. And you can actually vote as of right now. So if you guys have not voted yet, I do suggest you guys make your voice be heard and actually vote. Whether you have 1 share or 1,000,000 shares, it doesn't matter. You still have a vote. But that is what is important here, because we own the company, so we ultimately have the lasting decision. Everybody else, the one Chinese company, hedge fund, whatever the case was, I forget their name, something with a W, they owned a significant portion of AMC, so they would have had majority vote here, and what they voted for probably would have mattered the most. But they have already sold out, I believe 2 or 3 months ago, so we have the full say so here, and our votes are what really matters. That is why Adam Aron is trying to appeal to the retail investors. Now also, I do just want to point this out as well. This is really not a part of the whole thing, but it says big success. Almost 200,000 of you have enrolled in AMC Investor Connect, putting AMC in direct contact with our individual investor owners. Completely free to join. You will get special rewards, unique screenings, and investor communication. Sign up at amctheaters.com/stockholders. So that is pretty cool right there, guys. But I just wanted to point this out to you guys because a lot of people are doing this. If you have not already, there is some cool things. You should definitely be a part of that as well. But that's pretty much all I wanted to explain to you guys, that it could be a negative catalyst, or will be a negative catalyst, I should say, when this does happen. We have seen this multiple times. If you are a new ape, you might not know what these actual dilutions events do, but when they just did a private offering to Murdoch Capital, the stock price sank until after it was announced it was done, and then it did recover, but not all the way up to those highs we were at. As well as the last time they issued 43 million shares after they tried to issue 500 million shares, and that was denied by shareholders because that would have took your equity in half. They did get the 43 million approved, and that even had a bad impact on the stock. So take this information however you guys want. I am just presenting it to you, and you guys can ultimately do whatever you want. But I am voting no for the shareholder vote because, like people say, like Matt Core says, like Trey says, sometime in the future there will be a fundamental case for AMC. But if you're in this for the squeeze, it is not right now. So with everything being said, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel on your way out, as well as check out the links down below for public. They do not route your order flows to Citadel, like I said. So you are helping the cause here by not being a part of that. And you don't even have to deposit a single dollar or link a bank account. I got $30 Beyond Meat a couple times, and I got $50 worth of Tesla. So you guys might as well do that. It is literally free money. As well as check out the link down below for Webull. Get 4 stocks, each one of them valued up to $2,300 when you sign up with the link in the description and deposit $100 to your account. It is literally free money. I got a share of Starbucks, which is worth about $110. So you guys might as well check that out. They do give out great stocks. And also check out the link down below for the buy and sell alerts. We have been killing it over there. But with all of that being said, I will see you guys later. Until next time, peace out.